In this video, we'll be going over the shape tool. The shape tool is on the left hand side near the bottom, and if you look, the shape tool includes the rectangle tool, the rounded rectangle tool, the ellipse tool, the polygon tool, the line tool, and if you run out of shapes, you have the custom shape tool. Let's start out with the rectangle tool. The rectangle tool, what you do is you have your cursor and you hold down your left mouse button and you're able to adjust the square as you see fit. But if you want a perfect square or a perfect circle, what you have to do is hold down the shift button and it provides you a perfect square. In the shape tool, you can also change the outside of the shape and you can also change the inside color of the shape. The inside color of the shape is called the fill. The outer color of the shape is called the stroke. To change the color of the fill, which is the inside, come to the top toolbar and click on the fill color. You can select the palette and select from a range of colors. Hit OK. And you currently have your fill color. Now what you can also do is change the stroke color. If you see a red line going through the white, that means that it is transparent. In this demonstration, the outer stroke color will be red. If you zoom in, you can see the stroke color of red. If you want the stroke to be thicker, what you can do is go and set the pixel, which is directly beside the stroke. And you can increase the size of the stroke as you see fit. Now, if you also want to do the same thing with a circle, let's say I want a perfect circle. Hold down the shift button and release. And I currently have a perfectly round ellipse. For instance, if I wanted to put a round rectangle tool at the bottom to put my name, I could put that right there. And let me change some of the colors. I'm gonna change this to a green. And make my line thinner. Now, if I want the edges to be more round, in my properties palette on the right hand side, I can adjust and increase the roundness of my edges. Once again, that is in the properties palette on the right hand side for live shape properties. If I decide that I want to place a picture on the inside of one of my shapes, I can simply Place the picture above the shape that you want to put it in. And in this case, it's going to be the ellipse. Right click and select Create Clipping Mask. And the subject goes inside of the shape that you choose. Please note, if you don't want to use the rectangle, the rounded rectangle tool, the ellipse, the polygon, or the line, you can always use the custom shape tool. The custom shape tool has extra shapes. You can also import shapes. This is the shape tool tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment or email info@peculiarcollective.org.